I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side.
Hey everyone, it's Sanu here, your IKEA enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Did you know? In IKEA USA and IKEA UK, there's a special event on Fridays where the restaurant offers great deals. For IKEA USA, the event runs until August 31, 2024, offering 50% off adult entrees, which is pretty awesome. Over in IKEA UK, you can get 8 meatballs for just $2.45, which is a steal. And in Japan, they had this amazing deal where roast beef was half off. I went back to work smelling like garlic. Today's video is all about the recent buys that have made my life way easier, including some new products. These purchases were a steal, but have brought me so much joy. Stick around till the end. First up, let's talk about this side table. It's a perfect match for tablets. Here's the assembly manual, featuring an illustration of a person with a ponytail that looks hilariously out of place, warning us not to sit on it. This side table is surprisingly functional. You can adjust its height and even the angle of the tabletop. It stands like this, but you can also lay it horizontally. And yes, that ponytail person does catch your eye, doesn't it? The steel tabletop means magnets stick to it, so it pairs well with tablet cases that have magnets, like most iPad cases do. I even attached a magnetic clip for headphones, which I thought was pretty neat. It's adjustable to 3 different heights, making it kid-friendly too. I've set it to the middle height here. Without a tablet case, it still sticks, but it's not as stable. You can store it in a corner or a closet when not in use, though the legs don't fold, so it takes up the same amount of floor space. At its tallest, it's about desk height, so it can serve as an extension of your workspace. I discovered it fits a wagon perfectly inside. This is the Wagen. It's like it was made for it, which is great for adding storage under a desk. This side table can hold up to 25 kilo, so it could even be used for a coffee maker to create a little cafe corner. I don't own a coffee maker, so you'll have to imagine that part. But imagine placing cups and snacks in the wagon below and wheeling it to the dining area. It comes in beige too, which is adorable. The colors sold differ depending on the country. This side table can be used in many different ways. My child also likes it. Next, I picked up some handles. IKEA has a wide range of handles, from $0.75 for 2 to around $8. I went for a large wooden one this time. In my last video, I showed you my entryway makeover where I removed the handle, so I needed a new one. Here it is, a bit on the pricier side at $8 for 2. And here's the entryway with the new setup. That Linben mirror really made a difference, didn't it? I used the original holes to install the new handles. They might be a bit large, but they're easy to grab and really change the vibe of the place. Moving on, I tried out this pocket clip with 3 hooks in my entryway storage for umbrellas. It's made of sturdy steel, so you can hang 3 umbrellas on it. It's quite handy to have hooks that face this way. The storage now holds a paper bag for recycling flyers, a broom, helmets, jump ropes, and balls. I have some plans for this space, so stay tuned for future updates. Now, onto a new product. IKEA has released a bunch of garden lights, all battery or solar powered and water resistant. I got this white lamp with a solar panel made of polyester, which is fine to get wet. It's available in 3 sizes, and I chose the medium. I was skeptical about the solar panel's effectiveness, but was pleasantly surprised. It's simple to set up, just thread it through and hang it. I left it on my balcony all day, and by 5 p.m., it lit up like this. It's not super bright, like a nightlight's level of brightness. This is how it lights up. It's a bit bright in the video. It's hard to convey though, it's difficult to express. It's about as bright as a nightlight. Sorry, I said it earlier. Enough to attract insects. It's not the brightness. So what about camping? Can also be used as an outdoor light for balconies, etc. I think it can be used, but it stayed on until morning, depending on the weather, of course. It automatically turns on in the dark and off in daylight. I even hung it in my bedroom overnight as a test. Since it's solar powered, there's no electricity cost. I'm still figuring out the best way to display it. But IKEA's website suggests hanging a bunch together for a stylish look. How many are there? But it's nice to decorate a lot. I'd like to try it. Please note that depending on the country, there may be fewer sizes available. Next, we have the king of affordability in the side table world. It comes in 6 colors. Assembly was a breeze with only 1 type of screw needed. You should keep this label on, you know. When you trade in furniture at IKEA, having this label is a condition for the trade-in. So it's better not to remove it. It probably took less than 10 minutes to assemble. Instructions had this funny emphasis on pressing down to secure everything, which I followed to a T. The result? A sturdy, minimalist C-shaped side table. Perfect for this spot I had in mind. The laundry area. I've been placing my robot vacuum beside the laundry basket, but the space above felt wasted. I previously talked about setting up an IVAR shelf over the vacuum, which got a lot of feedback, so thank you. I placed a shelf above the vacuum cleaner. The vacuum can still return to its dock properly. I placed the table next to the vacuum and it fits perfectly. Given its price, I decided to get another one to double the storage. I'm surprised at how cheap it is even if I buy two. The minimalist design fits seamlessly into the laundry room, providing just the right height for laundry baskets. I placed an IKEA Risetorp basket on it, which looks cute and functional. The steel construction means you can attach magnets, like a magnetic clip for rubber gloves or a magnetic hook for small items. It can even hold a heater underneath, making it a versatile storage solution. The lower height compared to before makes the room look neater, especially with the lines matching up. It can support up to 9 kilograms. In the next video, I'll dive into IKEA's spring new product rush. I found some surprisingly handy items. Thanks for watching till the end. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.